Hello everyone. In this video, I'm talking about Ollama. Ollama is large language model. It is private. You are use Ollama is privately. Is not going. Uh, Ollama use your private. It's very well. You are going to ChatGPT and you're searching for storage your data, but Ollama is not this working as well. You are Ollama is you download and your data is totally save it. It's very easy. This I'm in this video. I'm how to use Ollama. Ollama lot of models provided of you. A lot of models and you to go and run this Ollama models and you are Ollama use and very successfully working now. Let's explore how to use Ollama. So open your browser and that's it. Open your browsers and you seen Ollama. Ollama is more a version of your game and download you get up running to with large language model. Llama, Code Llama, a lot of model. You go to download. You available for Mac, Linux, and Windows. First of all, you're not available Windows, but today is available for Windows. And go to download and click download, and you are started download. And sometime wait you download. And Ollama is lots of model giving you. You've seen Ollama new version code Gamma, Llama 2, Mistral, Command R, Lava, Code Llama, and you've seen to the features of the most popular feature. This is Ollama is most popular feature Llama 2 and Gamma and Mistral and Code Llama. A lot of you go to explore lot of features and very helpful for you. And features, new list added this one Code Gamma. It's Code Gamma. Coding is very helpful. Code Gamma is a collection of powerful, lightweight models and that can perform a variety of coding tasks like a fill in the middle, code completion, code generation, natural language understanding, mathematical reasoning, and instruction following. A lot of features going up along. You go to search of GitHub and you are apply to GitHub, blog, Scholar, all of it is very. Let's complete download and run this Ollama. So okay. First of all, open your command prompt and giving a command Ollama. You've seen Ollama all of things server, run, pull, push, and list all of models and that. You search for help. Okay, so I'm run Ollama, giving a command Ollama run. You've seen Ollama run models and you are every models you've seen and Ollama run model usage, how to use flags, all of them. Let's check Ollama version. Ollama. I am giving command Ollama list. You've seen Ollama list 3 ID, name ID, size, modify, and Ollama latest version 3.8 GB. Download 3.8 GB. Okay, and let's download Ollama. So first of all, giving a command run your Ollama run llama. Ollama run llama 2. Giving a command and click it download. You will start a download and wait and download is completed. Ollama run llama 2. Okay. Download complete and let's check how to work. Okay. I'm giving us some asking some question. So let's see how to work. I'm asking why is the sky blue. Okay, let's check why. Giving answer, the sky appear blue because of phenomena called ray, light, and scattering. That's all. That's nice and very. And let's again asking this question. Next question, right? Asking second question, my mind, how to overcome my laziness. Let's check. Laziness. I entered and you've seen you overcoming laziness. You overcome laziness required to combination of self-awareness, motivation, internal habit. Wow, this is nice. Can you help a study that can help you overcome laziness? So you are giving a identify very well defined answers as well. This is nice. So you are use Ollama and very interesting tool. You are very it is free, and a second thing is good quality, not a store your data, and or you are not a use internet connection, and that's all. It is huge. This is nice. Let's see you soon now next video.